We're going to start by learning what the average value of a function is and then go over its formula. The average value of a function, such as the function y is equal to f of x shown here, is just a number, such as this number right here, that represents the overall behavior of a function on an interval. In this graph, our interval is from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. To find what this number is, we're going to look at the area under the curve y is equal to f of x, which is this area right here. This area is the sum of an infinite number of rectangles under our curve that have a height of f of x sub I and a width of delta x. The sum of all these rectangles is equal to the integral from a to b of our function f of x dx. To find the average value, it's easiest if we write out all the terms in our sum like this, and then substitute in that delta x is b minus a over n. If we rearrange the terms and bring the n under the sum of all of our function values, we can see that the terms on the left are the average of the function values. And on the right, we have 1 divided by b minus a times our integral that's equal to the area. Now we can talk about the formula. The average value shown down here of an integrable function f on a closed interval from a to b is 1 divided by b minus a times the integral from a to b of our function f of x dx. And we can abbreviate the average value by f sub av. Looking at this graph below, we can see that the average value of our function is just the height of the rectangle that has the same area as the area under the curve y is equal to f of x.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.